intentionally. No, I never had intentions on making this far. You know.
Well, look at you now, man. You got a lot ahead of you too, man. But you know where you are, G Herbo.
Yeah.
Ain't no stranger to this.
Man.
You know what it is. Every MC, every real one from Chicago that had to come through the corridors. They had to take a walk through the valley.
Oh yeah.
You know, they had to thump their chest and scream out loud.
You got to.
You just couldn't walk in with the title. You had to earn the title. You wasn't born one. You had to become one. I'm not talking about your everyday average writer hook MC because he hanging out with your favorite rapper. He gets put on. I'm talking about the hyenas. You wanted to drop a beat on them. Got my sunnies on. Is that cool or you want something different? Sway the morning shade for a vibe. What you think? You good with it? Okay. Oh, he put it to work. He put it to
Matter of
work.
fact, this might be too slow for me.
All right,
man.
real
Let
up,
me
real
go
up, real
a-
up. No, no, no,
Come on, what y'all want to give me
I
another
want
one?
it
You
to
want
be
me to
right.
acapella it for you, man? How you want me to do it for you?
The way
It
you
don't
been
matter.
talking acapella and shit. Yeah, I want to hear what you got to say.
Acapella it for
Yeah,
you, Sway.
man,
Hold
'cause,
on.
man, you been dropping
Let me
gems.
try to get it together.
Talk about it. Think about it. While he's doing that, tomorrow's show we have coming on tomorrow's show.
Yeah, we got a lot of people coming through tomorrow's show. Well, first off, shit. I mean,
You blew it over. Okay, all right, there we go. All right,
You ready for me,
Yeah.
Sway?
Yeah. Hold up. I want to clear this up because I'm gonna leave. You're gonna end the show for us. All right, go ahead. Who got it?
I got it.
Go. Who?
Okay, Leighton Meester or Meister.
Leighton Meester. How about I do it so I know I'm pronouncing it?
Yes.
Leighton Meester, Sid the Kid, and Elijah Wood.
Sid is finally coming. Okay,
Yes.
great. And Elijah Wood. You hear those big names, G Herbal? Leighton Meester. You know, you saw on Gossip Girl. I know you used to watch that. I did. Here we go, acapella, man. He gonna end the show for us, and we want to thank Famke Janssen for coming through today.
Yeah.
Just Dizzle for DJing today. G Herbal.
So, hold on. I tell him, look. I say, used to wake up like I had school in the morning. Ben dropped out. 40 Smith and West plus the stick pop out. Middle of the block, probably waiting on Rock till the shift clock out. Chico on the chase with the big Glock out. Vito on the gate, right up on the 8. Blizz probably on the fag, gone off drink. Phaser on the way you could get knocked out. Spit real shit cause they feel me. Big dog shit can't lil me. Since 15 niggas try and kill me. Mom's living on the Oz block like literally. Every second count going home, I couldn't get locked out. Had to go home with my shit cocked out. If you want change, gotta change it yourself. So I moved mom's went bought a wristwatch. Ouch. I got choppers and 50s in my couch. I got that 30-year day I pop out. I'm feeling funny, you know that's a bow. If I see the police, I don't go that route. Remember the police was chasing me down. People profiling me racially now. Walking the airport, they hating me now. Right after I finish facing the loud. I say, look. I hit the state to collect all my faces, but I appreciate it facing the crowd. I've been to places, been through situations, never seen none of it taking me down. You never saw that shit taking me under. All of it really just add to my all of it really just add to my hunger. Thinking about all of my guys that went under. Thinking about all of my guys in the bunker. He act like this, he wanted to, he really on it to one of my young niggas trunk him. Little nigga fronted his move, act like he went for the tool, my young nigga slumped him. I say, no, homie, you is not boo. No, you can't hang with the crew. We don't fuck with flunkies. If ever I'm in a butte, I say, look, my little homie told me to feud, and if ever I'm in a feud, on Cappy gonna slump him. I say, look, hold on. Well, I tell him I got some other shit though, man.
No. Hold up. Let it breathe. Let it breathe.
I'm gonna let it breathe, man. I'm gonna let her breathe a little bit.
Little homie slumped him. Damn. Who's your little homie? I want to see him coming. Shit.
My little homie, man.
G Herbal. The acapellas. You got one more?
I got another one, man. Hold on, I think I'm
Go
gonna
hard.
come
You want
back
the
in.
beat or you want acapella?
It don't matter. You could bring me a beat. I keep
Give him
acapella a little bit, man. You gotta give me a hard one.
Okay. You go ahead acapella. He'll try to throw it in.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Let's
in
see how
and
that
go
works.
acapella, man.
All right, go.
Hold on,
Go
I tell him-
acapella.
I tell him, look, I say, street nigga been through the mud, always came out with my head in my chest hat, and I been through any hood. I bet I had my head cocked to the left side, although I might drop your hood. Still fuck the ops to the left is the best side. 30 hollows out the barrel of my 40. Pray to God that you don't end up on that side. I say, look, I say, and I come from Essex Street, but I heard my name rebuilds on the west side. Ain't worried about no beef with niggas. I might have Merchant Llewellyn the tech rat. I might come hit your block in the, I might pull up in the vert when I'm dolo, or I might pull up 4 deep in the S5. I used to rock polo, I was Herbo Dolo, smoking on Pasto, smoking on Lolo. I say, Hold on, a bunch of shit, man. I ain't gonna keep going. I might be getting too explicit on the radio, man. You know what I'm saying? I might get a little too explicit though, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't really.
You know, let me tell you, man, the way you tell your
I've been
stories,
on
man.
the street vibe lately, though. I ain't gonna lie. So I just been feeling like I've been on some super gutter.
Yeah,
Just
nah,
on the
but
gutter
that,
vibe
but
lately.
see, that's your truth though, and the way you paint these stories, man. Every time you stop, I feel like I'm at the end of a chapter. I want to hear what's coming next.
Right.
Man, you might have to put these stories down, write them down too, bro.
Yeah,
Like,
a lot of honestly, when I come here, a lot of my freestyles that I lay like here personally, or I might go on like
well, I get it.
flex or something like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
I be so focused on really trying to go hard that after I listen to them, I may have to like write them down or lay them on the beat. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Like,
you got to,
honestly,
man.
I ain't gonna lie, but it just be the ones that when I'm here though, like
Yeah.
these freestyles. You know
Well,
what I'm saying?
because if you're here or you with Flex, that's the top of the mountain.
Right, you know, you
okay,
gotta come with it,
so
like-
it's either here or Flex, and everything else is cool.
yeah, everything else cool, but like,
it ain't.
yeah, you gotta come with it, man.
You gotta
know
come
what I'm
with
saying?
it.
And Slay, you know what I'm saying? I gotta
And
come
K
with
Slay.
it with
K
Slay.
Slay.
I
K
gotta
Slay.
come with it with K
K
Slay.
Slay. Yep, and but I appreciate that because I want MCs to be nervous when they come up here, not in the negative, but in the positive.
you gotta
I want
be.
you to be nervous so you gonna come up here and kill it. And
Right.
create a magical moment that couldn't be.
You gotta
created
be,
anyway,
man. I ain't gonna lie. Every time I come right here, I try to be like, man, hold on, I gotta have some hard shit.
Yeah.
Like, it's on the way here. If I'm on the ride, on the way here, I'm just gathering bars in my head. You know what I'm saying? Like,
You
that's,
know what you should do too? Next time you're in the studio, record one for me.
oh yeah,
exclusively for us.
I definitely do that. Like,
Okay.
I could do that while I'm still here. Like, I
Okay.
ain't gonna lie, I definitely do that
Yo,
for you.
throw everybody,
Send
Heather,
it straight
Heather
to you.
Rice shotgun,
Oh yeah, man.
Tracy G.
Tracy G, you know she over there sitting pretty. You know what I'm saying? I gotta.
Yeah, but she's diabolical too. Make everybody menacing too. Everybody got to have a character. DJ Wonder, he's really black under his skin type thing. He's the Transformer. OQ, the ladies love OQ. Whatever you can
Take
do
your
for
shirt
us.
off, O.
Okay.
Nah, yeah, I'm gonna definitely put something together exclusive, straight for you though. I got you.
I'll play that shit every day, man.
It's Sway in the morning, only on Shade 45.
Kilo.